everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back to you with another cash stuffing video plus a little budgeting too. Y'all know how we do over here. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all week been good. I hope you've been good. I hope your family's been good. Okay, y'all? I'm feeling a little pumped today and excited. I'm just excited about life. I'm optimistic. Your girl went to the gym feeling good. I'm doing more and more time on that stair climber. So hopefully it do something for your girl. But that's what I'm trying to do. Get it together, honey. Will ain't gonna be over here all walking around all topless and shirtless and, you know, looking like a slim noodle. And I'm over here looking flabby and flabby. We gotta get it together. I know I'm trying, y'all. I know it don't happen overnight, but today was a good day, okay? So let's go over this budgeting today, okay? So today, y'all, we're going to be doing our mini and our savings challenge, okay? Like I told y'all on the last video, you know, we had some bills. We got that rent that's coming up and they on our head, you know. We got to keep our roof. So I don't know if we're going to have to need, if we're going to need any money out the binders. But if we do, it is what it is because it's our money and that's what we saved it for. You know, and I would call that an emergency. My roof is definitely an emergency, honey, because I like my roof. I don't like how much the roof costs, but right now we trapped in the vicious cycle, honey. We trapped in the cycle of what you gonna do, okay? Because we tried to figure it out, y'all. We ran around looking for cheaper rent, but we only had like a certain amount of time to do it, and y'all, it wasn't nothing that we just too short of a time. That's how they get you. Like I feel sorry for people who end up getting evicted or whatever, and they have to move to hotels because it's like, how can you pay for the hotel and save to pay for a house? Like, I know people do it all the time, but it's definitely challenging. I only can imagine. You know, I've never been in that situation, but when I think about all that's coming on us, family, I just like I don't want to see us all in the hotel room. I promise you I don't. So I heard my girl Coffee and Budget. She was like, I don't even want to repeat it. But that was the realest thing I ever heard, honey, when she said, she was like, I don't even want to say it. We just gonna move on. But shout out to Coffee and Budgets, okay? All right, shout out to all my budgeting family, okay? All my other content creators who do this, y'all. We learn from each other, you know. Thank you for the support of my channel, you know, and I'm sure y'all appreciate my support of y'all. But y'all, let me tell y'all before we get started, you know, your girl been working a lot, so I ain't really been over to some of y'all channels in a minute. Like at least last week I've kind of been slipping on my content watching y'all, but your girl, she coming back. She coming over there. I just been so busy. Okay, life been lifing, okay? All right, y'all, let's go over this. So today we're gonna be doing my mini wallet and our savings challenges. So gas, we'll be getting $10 because that's all I can do right now. Hopefully I can go DoorDash. I have the car tomorrow, okay, and I get off at Home Depot at 9:45. So I had the whole day. So hopefully I can get in and make a few dollars. Tomorrow, which y'all know, it goes to my savings. It goes to budgeting and rent. It goes to whatever I needed to go to. So groceries will be getting $5, you know, because we just went grocery shopping, okay? We do have a bridge card, but that bridge card is little bitty money, honey. Since I started working at Home Depot, they done gave your girl like $3, but that start this month. On the 20th, not $3. What was it? 40, like 40, $50 or something like that. So we did get it for last month, and we've been trying to really stock up on food before they hit us with the get out of here, you know, before they give us the boot. Thanks, America, for treating Americans like that. But anyway, so groceries gonna get $5, and then here, y'all already know it's gonna get nothing. I'm gonna have to figure it out on my own. Dining out, it's gonna get zipped too. miscellaneous, it's going to get $1 because I just need to, even though it's only $1, y'all, but let me tell y'all, your girl be blessed out of nowhere. Like, you know, for real, like Kim and other people, like, when I really appreciate y'all, let me say that. But I know it's only $1, but you know, I save it for if somebody need it. You know what I mean? Or if I see somebody short or a homeless person, something, I'm trying, y'all. Okay, and I give more when I can. Okay, and then my savings challenges is going to get $20 today. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and count this money. So we have 5, 6. Oh, I'm sorry. We got 5, 10, 15, 20. Then we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, $37 will be getting stuffed in there. Let me write that down because I didn't. So that's $37. All right, so let's get into my mini wallet. Move this up. Okay, so gas will be getting $10. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, y'all. That gym boy. Like, I got a membership at Planet Fitness. And y'all ever go to Planet Fitness and you see that little 30-minute workout area? Now, y'all know it's supposed to be machine by machine. They marked like 1 through 20 something or something like that, or 1 through 30. It's something like that. One thing I don't like, y'all, is when I go there and I go for the 30-minute workout, but then you got this one person. Now, you're supposed to go in a row. It's 30 minutes, like red light, green light, and everybody supposed to switch machines. But today, y'all, I don't know, y'all pray for me. But this lady, she had me so irritated because she sat on that number 2, no, that was the number 3 machine, like for 30 minutes. Like, girl, you messing up. And then when I told her, like, you know, well, it's my turn on this machine, she was all, couldn't speak English, talking about something. I was just like, you know, I just rolled my eyes and moved. Like, but you know what I mean? Like, I was strong on the rules today. Y'all pray for your girl. Pray for your girl, honey, because I wanted to do my complete workout and get out of there. Like, I'm really serious about, you know, what I'm supposed to be doing. But it ain't, everybody ain't got to follow the rules, honey. Thank God I ain't no police. Or no type of security. I'd probably be top flight security of the world, Craig. Pray for your girl. Okay, so groceries gonna be getting $5. But yeah, y'all, that just irritated my soul. Cause she still didn't get up, honey. She got up when I probably was 2 machines away. But the bottom line is I was able to go back and get that machine and work out. You know, if I don't like it, build my own machine. I mean, get my own gym at my own house, because it ain't my house. I don't run the Planet Fitness, okay? I got to learn how to deal with people in situations like that. When I could have, y'all, just saw her. I ain't even have to say nothing to the lady. I could have just went on ahead and been around. But here your girl is, top flight security. Excuse me. Excuse me. I know she was like, God forgive me for that. Y'all forgive me too. Y'all see, I just told on myself though. So I think I just got a little better just knowing how stupid I sounded. How, you know what I mean? I ain't have to do all that. Okay. So hair won't be getting nothing today because I explained that to y'all already. I already explained that to y'all. when we did the budgeting. Dining out won't be getting anything because I explained that to y'all also, because right now I just don't have it at this moment, but I'm sure I will have it another time, another day, because God is good, and that is what it is. I don't even really got to keep talking about it. Okay, so miscellaneous will be getting $1, and that's for whoever need it. You know what I mean? That could be Jaden, that could be anybody. Well, Jaden got his own dollars. Thank you, God, for that. So, yep, and that's that. With my mini binder, with my mini wallet, y'all. And thanks again. Shout out to the person who bought me this. And, yeah, and thanks again for me, for showing content creators on my For You and all that, who use their mini wallet. Because it really make a difference. I try to use it every week. Like, I carry it now, even if it's nothing in it. I know I got to put something in it. Okay, y'all. So let's work on our savings challenges. Your girl gonna go to October because we still trying to, finish October. But hey, y'all always tell me this is not, I don't have to marathon. I don't have to race through this. Just take my time. And that is a comfort. Now that I surrendered that, and it is what it is, take my time. If I keep living, I see the money add up. Just keep doing it. Just keep focusing on it. And that's right, and it does. Okay, so my savings challenge, we will be doing, let me see, I did write it down on another piece of paper. I did write it down, y'all. I don't know. Oh, is this it? Yeah, I think this is it. This was my Scrabble. This was my scratch. And then I rewrote it. So I think I wrote it down. Okay, here it is. Right there. So Boo will be getting $10. Hopefully we can finish Boo next time, y'all. Okay, so Boo will be getting $10. Now this challenge is worth $77. It was a gift. I don't know who it's from. So we're gonna go ahead and give $10 to Boo. So now we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. We are $20 away from completing Boo, you guys. Yay. Oh, that's been a long journey, honey. We only $20 away. And we won't be able to do anything inside of Save Your Nuts, but we can count it just to make sure everything is everything. And Save Your Nuts is $60. And we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And so we are $30 away from completing Save Your Nuts as well. And then we had our rollover dollars. I don't know how much is in there. We will count that. Let's count it. This is just the extra money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was extra money from October. I just stuck in there. So we coming a long way. And now you guys, November challenge will be getting $10 as well. My plan was to do challenge by challenge, but the way the finance is set up, I really couldn't. So we moving in 2025, we gonna complete challenges, even if we just gotta keep going. That's what I want to practice, keeping them going. I don't care if that October challenge lasts me to January. Okay, so $10 is we gonna stuff in November's each. Oh, okay. So this challenge is worth $320, and each of these are $10, and it's 21, I believe 21 smiley faces. Be happy. I don't know where or who this is from either. So it totals, I don't know if it's 21. Total? Is it 21? 21 equals, I think it's 21 of them. I'm not sure. No, it's more than 21. But anyway, it equals $320. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we got an extra dollar, y'all. Uh-oh, an extra dollar for November. So now we have, let's color it in real quick though. Really quickly. Yeah, I really want to do some of those. I be looking at my girl LaShonda, and she always be doing those little mini-sodes and stuff. I need a few little mini savings challenges. Like they be like $20, $30, and they be rolling the dice. I want to get into that when I can. Also, you guys, an update on my P.O. box. I still don't have it for obvious reasons. But like I said, when I do, I'll let y'all know. But if anybody want to send me something, my number is in the description box, and I'll give you the address to ship it to, okay? Just message me or leave it in the comments, or like I said, my phone number, my contact number is in the description box of my description, okay? So this challenge has 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. How did we get $32 in here? How did that happen, y'all? Hold on. How did we get 32 and they all 10s? It should be $40 in here. Hold on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay, 40. Okay. Whew, I was about to say, who been in my binders? Who been in them? No, I'm trying not to be on that note no more. But no, for real, who been in my stuff? No, but it was in there. Okay, y'all, and we have $1 extra, so y'all already know it's going in our overflow, and we'll count that. Let's see how much we got in there. We're counting now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. $4 in overflow from our extra money. So you guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That's all I have for you guys today. That's all the shmoney. That's all I got. And it's all in my binders, and I am so grateful for y'all. Once again, y'all don't even know the benefit y'all have on my life. Like the impact. Just knowing I have a community is something amazing. If you guys don't have a community, find yours, okay? You will find it very rewarding, okay, you guys? You're not alone. I don't care if you don't cash stuff. If you a knitter, it's a knitting community. If you like to talk stuff and gossip all day, they even got a community for you. Whatever you into, think about whatever you into. You know what you into. I know I'm into some stuff. You know what you into. Find that community, okay? Because you will find people, you know, that you can rock with, and that maybe can help you with whatever you're going through, okay? It's just good to have other people to talk to besides yourself, okay? All right, you guys. Don't forget, before you leave, please support your girl and hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys on the next video. Bye.